The Vutek H5 digital printer is one of Omega's go-to print machines for fabricating vibrant, high-quality prints, especially large format signage and graphics. And with so many incredible features, there's no wonder we have two on our shop floor in New Jersey. The Vutek works through a process called digital LED printing. In this process, LEDs hit a positively charged print drum, creating negative charges where it lands. Positively charged toner is then dispersed and sticks to these negative spaces. A high voltage wire is then used to positively charge the substrate, which attracts the toner before they are fused together with heat rollers. However, our Vutek is not your run-of-the-mill digital LED printer. What sets it apart, for one, is its unmatched image quality. This is thanks to its full-color printing, 1200 dpi resolution, and high-velocity 7 picoliter grayscale print heads, which deliver precision dot placement and consistency. It's also supremely efficient, boasting automated media handling presets, a waste-reducing ink delivery system, and programmable logic controller with minimal connection points. Need help with your next digital printing project? Contact Omega today.